Welcome back. I am Ace Dragon here with one of my friends trying to get people to honk horns, and right now he looks naked without pants.
I need cross. I need cross real bad. I need cross.
So we're trying to see how many people can honk the horn.
I need cross.
So if you hear me laughing, this is just so stupid. Everyone's looking at me right now if you can't see it. I'm so sorry. Oh, the first one.
What?
Yeah, he gets pissed easily.
Stupid bitch. Hello.
Please don't forget to check out my friend's channel. It's called WhoopSnipes072. He'll bring you up the latest gameplay on Skyrim, and Black Ops. He hasn't been doing videos, but here's the internet right now. Don't forget to subscribe. Please.